In today's video, I will be showing you step by step how to prepare this delicious diabetes-friendly stir-fried cabbage. For the ingredients, I will be using meat, mackerel, bell peppers, tomatoes, carrots, and of course, cabbage, green beans, onion, and garlic. To start with, rinse your meat. Add Maggi and salt to taste. Add water and cook. Check if meat is done. At this point, it wasn't. Clean your mackerel. Cut to desired sizes. Remove waste and rinse properly. Add salt and mix. Put oil in a frying pan and fry till golden brown. Fry your meat also till golden brown. Then clean your cabbage and slice. Add salt and boiled water. Wash to make it tender or to remove the smell. We all know cabbage has a very rare smell. All ingredients are ready, as you can see. So I'm going to add my oil in the pan or pot depending on what you are using. Add your onion, tomatoes, and garlic. Add carrots, green beans, bell peppers, and stir. Add Maggi and salt to taste. Cover and allow to cook. Add cabbage and mix well. Add fried meat and fish and allow to cook for 5 minutes. After which, your cabbage is ready. You can serve with either green plantains or sweet potatoes. For my case, I served with sweet potatoes. So that was it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes content and more diabetes friendly recipes. Bye.